As long as you know the symptoms and have these remedies handy, there is nothing to panic. Peter Parker turned to Spider-Man after a spider bit him. That will not be the case with you. If you get bitten by a spider, you would rather search for home remedies for spider bites. You hear many stories about bug bites from friends and family members who have recently gone hiking. Approximately 20.8% of non-canine bites between 2001 to 2010 were caused by arachnids. Sometimes spider bites can cause serious complications, and the patient must be taken to the hospital. However, the reactions are mild in most cases and can be treated with some home remedies. You can apply any of the remedies mentioned in this video to treat the mild reactions to spider or bug bites. Check them out. Spider bites, an overview. In most cases, spider bites are usually harmless. Most people mistake other bug bites for spider bites. Some patients have also mistaken certain skin infections to be a spider bite. Very few known species of spiders are poisonous and can cause harm to humans. The most well-known of these species are the black widow spider and the brown recluse spider. Spider bites that are slightly more serious can cause redness, itching, and swelling. However, if you are bitten by a black widow spider, you will experience abdominal cramps. Brown recluse spider bites cause a sharp pain. If you have a severe bite, the skin around the bite will slowly turn purple and blisters may appear. What does a spider bite look like? Typically, you won't notice a spider bite until a few hours after being bitten. It becomes easier to treat a spider bite if you can identify the spider that bit you. You can identify a spider bite on your skin if you see any of these: inflammation or swelling, red rashes. Inhabiting areas where spiders are naturally found can put you at a greater risk of spider bites. In the following section, we will look at the symptoms of a spider bite. Symptoms of spider bites. Spider bites are characterized by red rashes, itching, muscular pain accompanied by cramps, excessive sweating, breathing difficulties, nausea, fever, confusion, restlessness. Spider bites take a longer time to heal as compared to other insect bites. It is essential to keep the bite clean to reduce the risk of infection. Trivia: it is very rare for spiders to bite humans because of their nature. When threatened, instead of being aggressive, they play dead or run away. They only bite if they have no escape or are pressed against your skin. What to do if a spider bites you? It is always easier to treat a spider bite if you know the type of spider that caused it. Once you identify the bite, you must try to reduce the pain by applying a cold compress to it. You must rush to the hospital if the bite is accompanied by symptoms like nausea, cramping, and difficulty in breathing. Quick tip: if you are bit by a spider that looks strange or unfamiliar, try to catch and store it. Show it to your doctor so they can determine if the bite is venomous and prescribe the right treatment course. Let us now look into the steps taken by medical professionals to treat spider bite. Medical treatment. In case you need to seek medical intervention to treat the spider bite, your doctor will take the following steps. They will clean the wound with soap and water. The doctor will observe the wound for potential infection. After cleaning the wound, the doctor will apply an antiseptic ointment. A tetanus booster may also be recommended if you haven't had it in the last 5 years. They may prescribe antibiotics to fight infection. If the bite is mild, you can try treating it at home. The following remedies can help. How to treat spider bites at home. 1. Cold compress or ice pack. Spider bites cause swelling and pain. Ice can work as an analgesic, and the cold pack might help reduce pain and inflammation in the affected area. You will need a cold compress or ice pack, a bowl of water. What you have to do: if you are using an ice pack, prepare some ice in your freezer. Place an ice pack on the affected area for 15 minutes daily. How often you should do this? Repeat as needed until the pain subsides. 2. Aloe vera gel. Research shows that aloe vera exhibits anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. This may help reduce the swelling and the infection related to spider bites. You will need 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. What you have to do: 1. Take aloe vera gel on your fingers or a cotton ball and apply to the affected area. 2. Massage this gel gently into the affected area for 5 minutes. How often you should do this? Do this 2 times daily. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda is a commonly used natural solution for itchiness and inflammation. It can also be used to prevent further infection that may surface with a spider bite. You will need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Water. What you have to do: 1. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 3 to 4 drops of water to make a thick paste. 2. Apply it to the affected area and leave it on for 10 minutes. 3. Rinse thoroughly with water. How often you should do this? You can do this once daily until the redness and itching subside. 4. Witch hazel. Witch hazel contains tannins, which are bioactive ingredients that possess anti-inflammatory properties. Thus, it could be used to manage the inflammation caused by the spider bite. You will need witch hazel extract. Sterile cotton ball or Q-tip. What you have to do: 1. Take a cotton ball or Q-tip and dab some witch hazel on it. 2. Apply it to the spider bite and leave it to dry. How often you should do this? You may apply this to the affected area 3 minutes 4 times daily until the swelling reduces. 5. Essential oils. Lavender oil. Lavender oil possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. This can help in reducing the swelling and pain around the spider bite. You will need a sterile cotton ball or gauze, -2-3 drops of lavender oil, a few drops of a carrier oil. What you have to do: mix 2 to 3 drops of lavender oil with a few drops of coconut oil in a bowl. 2. Dip a sterile cotton ball in this mixture and place it on the infected site. How often you should do this? You may use this remedy 3 minutes 4 times daily. The chamomile oil. Chamomile oil has anti-inflammatory properties. This can help reduce the swelling caused by the spider bite and promote faster healing. You will need a sterile cotton ball or gauze, -2-3 drops of chamomile oil, a few drops of a carrier oil. What you have to do: mix 2 to 3 drops of chamomile oil with coconut oil. Dab a sterile cotton ball with this mixture. Place it on the affected area. How often you should do this? You can repeat this remedy 3 minutes 4 times daily. 6. Potato poultice. Potato exhibits anti-inflammatory properties. Hence, it may help reduce inflammation that surfaces with a spider bite. You will need a sterile gauze, -2-3 potatoes. What you have to do: 1. Wash the potatoes and grate them. 2. Take a sterile gauze and add the grated potato on it. 3. Place it on the spider bite. How often you should do this? You can repeat this remedy 1 minute 2 times daily. Spider bites are most likely to happen if you go on a trek or travel to heavily forested areas. Treating mild spider bites could be easy, but prevention is always better. How to prevent spider bites. 1. If you are in a wooded area, make sure that you are wearing long-sleeved shirts, long pants, and gloves. 2. Spray insect repellents on your trekking clothes. 3. If you are at home, make sure that you clear out the cobwebs thoroughly. Spider bites are harmless and usually resolve by themselves in a few hours. However, the severity of the symptoms depends on the type of spider. You may develop red rashes or red bumps and muscle pain and excessive sweating. Keep the wound clean, apply an antiseptic, and seek medical attention if you experience serious complications. Following these easy home remedies may help reduce the symptoms and speed up the healing process. These remedies are effective as they have anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and soothing properties. In addition, it is recommended to wear full sleeve tops or use anti-repellent creams to prevent spider bites. Frequently asked questions. 1. Can I put Neosporin on a spider bite? Yes, you may put Neosporin on a spider bite after cleaning and gently drying the affected area. Neosporin is an over-the-counter topical antibiotic that may help eliminate the bacteria in the bite site. 2. Should you squeeze the pus out of a spider bite? No, the pus on the site of a spider bite may indicate an infection and the need for medical attention. 3. What does a healing spider bite look like? The appearance of a healing spider bite varies greatly, depending on which spider has caused the bite and how serious the bite is. Key takeaways. Aloe vera may help reduce the swelling and the infection related to spider bites. Potato juice may help reduce inflammation caused by spider bites. Visit the hospital if the spider bite is accompanied by symptoms like nausea, cramping, and difficulty in breathing.